So hello friends, how are you all? I am Atul Sharma, admin of HTML, CSS and JavaScript for beginners group. So first of all, thank you all of you for joining this group, and I hope you all are doing well. So today on 19th of June 2021, we are planning to do a JavaScript free class on Google Meet. So I will be sharing the link soon with you. So this meeting will be at 3 p.m. according to Indian Standard Time, GMT plus 5:30 according to global time. So all you can come here, and before that what you can do, you can just search my profile in the group. You can see who is the admin, Atul Sharma. You can just DM me your details like your email ID, where are you from, your name, extra some details I need to get, so that in future whenever I will do any content or create any content, you will get all these resources in your email ID, or either you will get it on your WhatsApp number. So how are you, Jayant? So I am fine. What about you? So you will be getting, guys, all these resources in free. So what I just want most of the people to join this class. So what will be happen in this JavaScript free class? We will basically focus on JavaScript basics. And remember, I am not only the speaker, you also can be the speaker. If you know something about JavaScript, you also can be speaker. Only I am not the speaker. That's not the case. Many people can be speaker, and some or many can be listener. We just want to learn together. Some people will definitely have experience more than me. I have 2 years of experience in programming, and I believe so many experienced people are also there. So we just want to build a community, so we all will build together and do this thing, so that everyone will just get good knowledge. So today on 19th of June, according to Indian Standard Time, 3 p.m. is the timing, and according to global GMT plus 5:30, you can check your timing. So I will be you can join class from till 2:45. You can join from 2:30 to 2:45 p.m. But remember, first of all, I need your details. Without your details, I can't let anyone enter in the meeting, because it is very necessary. In future, whenever I will create any content, so you will be getting, guys, all these resources in free just at the time I just post it. So is not it cool? So hope to see you all in the meeting. So bye bye, and if you wanna say something, you can comment down, or if you are a designer, so I have a very good opportunity for you. Suppose you are a good designer. I am supposing you are a good designer. Okay, so what you can get from this group? You can just post your responsive web design. You can just post your website responsive design etc. videos in group. And if I found content useful for members, so what will happen? You can schedule a Google Meet meeting in the Sunday according to your time, and choose that time that suits all different time zones, different countries people also, so that many people can join. And what you can do, you can let people know, let beginners know how responsive web designs are created, how this work is done. So if you are able to teach people very well and in deep, and remember, it will be free in the start. In future you can think other way, but in starting we just want any beginner who is just suffering and just thinking about how I can build things from these topics, not just reading this. I have to implement it practically. So if you are a good designer, congrats, you have a very good opportunity. And in between the Google Meet, you can show your YouTube channel also. If you are just showing related to content, that's not an issue. You can surely promote your YouTube channel also in the Google Meet. But the main thing is that all the members should get something very valuable inside your meeting. If you are able to show your valuable content, so all is there for you here. I will just promote your YouTube channel in the announcement section also in this group. So definitely you will gonna get reach, a good reach. So I am gonna promoting you. I just want more of you web designers who really know how website designs are done responsive. So with that extra thing, if you know anything or you want to share anything, you can surely share any good or bad practice of designing or anything. Okay, so today according to Indian Standard Time, I will be arranging a meeting. I will be creating a meeting where you can join according to Indian Standard Time. It is 3 p.m. GMT plus 5:30 is according to Standard Time. You can global time. You can just check out for according to your country. So bye bye. Let's bye bye. See you soon inside the meeting. But before that, you need to just DM me and just send me your details. Whatever I will ask you related to what is your name, where are you from, what you know, what you want to know, your email ID and your WhatsApp number. And if you are not using WhatsApp number or not wanna give, if anyone don't wanna share, that's not an issue. But you will get details only on email ID. You will not get YouTube video or any link or any resources on WhatsApp. So it is for you. So let's end this meeting. So I hope see you soon. Thank you so much for joining this meeting.